Amtrak Cascades 503. It's stopping here in Albany. Its last stop will be Eugene, Oregon. And then it's supposed to turn into the 508 and go all the way back to Seattle. Currently, they're experiencing an electrical problem between Tacoma and Tukwila. They have crews that are looking at it. Last I checked, even the 504 is having trouble getting to Vancouver if the website is correct. But the 503 looks like it made it through just fine. It's got the cabs unit on front, power on back. Let's see what it got. Amtrak Cascades 503, the 153 P42 for the power. Stay tuned for more.